What is going on, everybody? James Blue Tech Mini here, and today I'll be giving you an unboxing of the limited edition Spider-Man DualSense controller. Now, as a massive Spider-Man fan, I was really happy I was able to get my hands on one of these. I unfortunately did not get my hands on the plates for the PS5. Those were almost next to impossible to get. But if you actually got yourselves hands on one of those plates, let me know down in the comments below that you actually were able to get them. But right now I'm going to unbox this DualSense controller here. As you can see here, it gives you a good image. You get the black Venom symbiote kind of taking over the red of the controller here, which we'll get a better look at. Now this will have all the same features that you get in a regular DualSense controller. So now that we got that pulled out, let's see. Oh man. Oh. Yeah, so pretty much you get the controller. There's just the paperwork there. We're not going to worry about that. Let's get a good look at this. Oh man, I'm excited. Oh, that is gorgeous. I have to say that is actually probably my favorite controller. I love the red here. And you can see the red on this is definitely darker than the red you would get on the original PS4 Spider-Man edition when that bundle came out years ago. This is actually better than the DualShock 4 controller that came out. That was just all red. I'll throw a picture up here so you guys can see. It was all red with just white buttons. There was no like logo or anything like that you see on this. On the back of the controller, as you can clearly see here, is all black. And then here on the front, as you can see, you have the red kind of being taken over by the symbiote suit from Venom. You have now one thing I wish they actually had a little bit more of the red, kind of a little bit more kind of in the center, so kind of it's like half and half. But this still looks fantastic. I still love this. You have the black D-pad buttons over here for where Venom is kind of already taken over, and then here on the right side, you actually have the white buttons right here, which I think look great. Still, we're kind of Spider-Man is still there a little bit before Venom completely takes over. And then right here in the center, you have this Spider-Man logo, which looks fantastic. So this has been my quick unboxing of the Spider-Man DualSense controller for the PlayStation 5. As always, it's been James Blue Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.